Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: your membership number, payment card, and passport. Open the Dragon Pass app or web portal and sign in. If you don't have an account, register now with the same email tied to your card. Once done, enable location and notifications so the app can show nearby lounges in real time. Make sure to add or confirm a payment method and accept any required permissions. This prevents delays when you request instant access at the airport or pay for add-ons. Now you search for lounges using the airport code, city, or interactive map and filter results by access type: lounge, dining, or meet and greet. Tap a lounge to view hours, entry fee, guest policy, and facilities like showers or Wi-Fi. Once you select a time slot, request entry through the app. If instant approval is offered, you'll get a digital pass. Save that pass to your phone wallet or screenshot it, because some venues accept either a QR code or the app display at the front desk. At the lounge entrance, present your digital pass, passport, and boarding pass. The agent will scan or key in your booking. If access is denied, first confirm your membership is active and that the name on the pass matches your ID. Sometimes a slight variation prevents acceptance. If details match but still blocked, take a screenshot of the error and the lounge screen. Then contact Dragon Pass support through the app chat or phone. Ask for a manual override or reimbursement, and remain polite but firm for fastest resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.